Okay, so I got this little sewing machine. I wanted to show what it comes with and then do a little tester just so you can see some of the different features of it and just how it works and my thoughts. Okay, so it comes with a little sewing machine. This is definitely a very small sewing machine, but it's nice because it's more portable and it's easier to store. And then it comes with all of these handy little tools. You've got a measuring tape, extra needles, a thimble, you've got a seam ripper, scissors, a bunch of different threads and bobbins. It looks like it came with a few different patches of fabric, which is super nice. They look really cute. And then it comes with the little pedal, comes with the cord to plug it in, and then the instruction manual as well. I wanted to show you some of the different stitching options here, and then it has this little wheel that you just turn and it'll change it there. We've got the back stitch there. Okay, the little pieces of fabric are actually so cute that it comes with lots of different designs. They're kind of cute, like little kid designs, and I think they'll be really fun to use for little projects. So this little switch right here actually turns on a low setting or a high setting, so you don't have to use the foot pedal if you don't want to. The foot pedal is pretty small and you're really gonna have to be very precise with pushing it down. So I actually kind of like this option to go a little bit slower, a little bit faster. You just turn it off when you're done. So this stitch right here is what I just did. You can see I did a little back stitch here at the front, and then I just did a straight stitch all the way through, and there it is right there. And then up here, you can actually change the upper tension, which is nice. It has a little cutter here on the side. I'm gonna also do a little zigzag stitch just to see what that looks like. This little knob is pretty difficult to turn. You have to get a good grip on it to turn it, but that's okay, it does work. And there is a little zigzag stitch. It worked pretty good. Honestly, I'm pretty impressed for it being such a small little compact machine. It works pretty decent. There are a few things that aren't super smooth about it, but if you're looking for something that's small and just easy to store and you're doing some pretty easy beginner simple projects, this honestly is not a bad machine and it's pretty easy to figure out and use.